Hello, welcome back. This is another exam style problem solving question on speed, distance and time. And not to make the video long, I will like you to pause it and read the question yourself so that you understand the steps I'm going to take. So pause the video and read the question. Okay, I hope you did that. Normally, when you get this kind of problem, it's very important that you pull out the information in a table form. So this is how I do the table. So I'm going to talk about what happened between Swidro and Tema to Pokuase in terms of distance, speed and time. So I look at each statement. That is distance, Swidro and Tema. So I put it there. That is also distance, Tema and Pokuase. That is speed between Swidro and Tema, but I don't know that for Tema and Pokuase, so I leave it as question mark. That is time between Tema and Pokuase. I don't know the time between Swidro and Tema. So this is how you do your table information. Now look at the question. Work out speed between Tema and Pokuase. This is what I'm looking for. And I've got two important information, time and distance. To work out speed, you cover speed. Now remember, I'm dividing speed, distance in kilometers by time, which is in minutes. So whatever answer that I'm going to get will be kilometers per minute. That will be the speed per minute. The speed is measured per hour. So I have to multiply the answer by 60. So that's what I do. 48 divided by 45 will give me the speed per minute. So I times it by 60 to convert it into per hour. So the answer is 64 kilometers per hour. Now let's look at how to get B. You know that average speed simply means total distance divided by total time. I will be able to know the total distance, but I only know bits of the time, and therefore for us to continue, we might need to find the time between Swidro and Tema. And to find time, you cover time, you have distance divided by speed. So I'm going to divide 94 kilometers by 70.5. And that one too, when I divide, I need to multiply it by 60, because at the end, because I want to get the answer also in minutes, so that I'll be able to add the two time in minutes. So when I do that, I'll get the answer as 80 minutes. Now that I know the answer as 80 minutes, I can now add the times and add the distances. Total distance is 94 plus 48, 142. Total time, 80 minutes plus 45 is 125 minutes. So I'm going to divide distance by time. The answer here will give me in minutes, and therefore speed is measured per hour, so I times it by 60 to convert it into per hour. And that will give me 68.16 kilometers per hour. So this is how we answer questions when it involves so many variables or numbers, and you need to be very careful of which one to use. Table will help you identify the right information to use. So this is how I do it, and I recommend that to you as well. So our last one will be on another different style exam question.